What's going on, everybody? I just want to share with you a win I've got. Uh, I'm actually testing out the method and doing some research recently, and I just got this very nice win. I've came in with enormous amount, actually, 15 Sol, bought in on this coin. Showing you right here. This is Pump Fun. I've bought with 15 Sol, and I've got like a bunch of snipers buying it out after me, and yeah, I've managed to like actually sell a bit at first, and then I uh, clipped the whole 12 Sol out here, so 12 and 4. I've seen the comments, somebody trying to like learn how to like create coins and pump on. So I'm gonna show you right here. It's really easy. Like anybody can do it. So basically, you go to pump on and you start a new coin. So basically, for the name, I'm gonna go with MGJA. For the ticker, it's gonna be that, but in this is gonna be a lowercase and this is gonna be uppercase. So yep, I'm not gonna go with no description, but for the socials, this is the post we going with, and I'm just gonna copy the link and add it to this URL, and I'm gonna add this picture. So yeah, then all you gotta do is create your coin. Basically, you gotta like be ready for it to see it. Just gonna go here, open another Palm Font tab and go to the advanced. So your coin is gonna like pop out here on the newly created. So basically I'm gonna go here and create the coin. I'm gonna add like, so I always like suggest to go in with something between 3 Sol and 7 Sol. I've made like I've tested it with 15 Sol, I've tested it with 10, with 2, with 3. So I'm gonna go with 2.5 for the sake of this tutorial. But I advise you to go from 3 to 7. If you're trying to like test it out with more than that, you can do that. But so let's go. All you gotta do is create the coin. Confirm on the Phantom wallet and your coin is created. Basically, this is the coin. You can like check it out. In here, this is our coin. Once your token is live and the bot is running, sniper bots will likely buy in within the first few seconds. Your seller bot will detect these buys and sell your tokens instantly, locking on the profits.